Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by anchoring the base immediately. Pick a sunny spot and dig a 2 ft hole. Mix cement to firm but not soupy consistency, then set a treated post plumb. While the concrete cures, assemble the Lighthouse shell panels, drill pilot holes and pre-fit seams. Make sure to route wiring channels now, because once the post is set, changes are hard. You're creating a stable foundation that resists wind and moisture, so check level frequently and let the base cure fully before proceeding. Once the base is cured, you raise the tower shell and secure each panel to the post with galvanized screws and sealant. Stagger joints for strength. Run the 12V LED wiring through pre-cut channels and connect to the solar charge controller. Make sure polarity is correct and use waterproof connectors. You should add an access hatch at waist height so you can service the battery. Also install vents near the top to prevent heat buildup. Test the light cycle under charge to confirm operation. You finish by installing the cap and flashing, sealing all seams with outdoor-rated caulk and painting for UV protection. Let coats cure between layers. Connect and secure the battery in a ventilated, lockable box and verify the light runs a full night on solar charge. If the lamp fails, start by checking panel angle and cleanliness, then inspect fuses, wiring terminals, and controller settings. Replace corroded connectors. Make adjustments, and run a second full-cycle test to confirm reliability.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.